Hi guys, this is Adnan Ahmed. You're watching Technox City. So in today's video, we are going to talk about this new application launched by the Indian government, that is Arogya Setu. So make sure you watch this video completely and make sure you share this with your friends, and let's roll the intro. So guys, if you had seen the previous video in the last week, that was about this application Corona Kavach. It's in the beta version of its development, and I think that application has now become stable, and the new application is this one maybe, and I'm not sure about that, but both the applications are officially launched by the Indian government. So make sure you install this application Arogya Setu. I will leave the link in the description so you guys don't miss out the application and download any such fake application, because there are a lot of fake applications already published on the Play Store. So make sure you use the link in the description and download this same application. And now let's go ahead and review and check out how that works, and let's do all the setup and necessary things. So first of all, let's open the application, and until it opens, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, please select your language. There are so many languages, maybe there are 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, maybe around 11 languages. So let's select English. So this will help you guys if you know any language. So each one of us has the power to help prevent the spread of coronavirus pandemic in India. Would you like to be kept informed if you cross the paths with someone who has tested COVID-19 positive? And there are a lot of other things. With Arogya Setu, you can protect yourself, your family and friends, and help our country in the effort to fight COVID-19. So click on register now. Device location, it terms of service and privacy. Device location, I agree, because it will keep tracking the your location, so that you don't pass the path of some COVID-19 positive patient. So click on allow, enter your mobile number. So I'll just do that. Click on submit, and then there will be an OTP sent. Make sure you enter that. So I had my aeroplane mode turned on. Let me just turn it off for a second. Okay, I'll just do that here. I actually wanted to go to the settings. Okay, then we just turned off the airplane mode, and let's go back to the messages, and 505801. okay, that's the code. Okay, it automatically detected the OTP. So you will have to fill in your personal details, your name, your age, your profession. Just do that, and click on profession, and select everything and set up these things. Countries that you travel in the last 30 days. I am in India, I didn't go anywhere. Ready to volunteer in the time of need. Click on submit. If you are ready, you can just give there. You are safe, low risk of coronavirus infection. Your risk is based on self-assessment data provided by you as well as any close contact. This app detects with others who may later be diagnosed. Be prepared, but don't panic. So this will show you the help centers, call centers of different states. You have the numbers of the call centers, and you also have self-assessment test that you will have to answer a few questions. Please note that the information from this chat will be used for monitoring and management of your current health and research in the fight against COVID-19. What is your gender? And it will ask you such questions. You will just have to fill in those things. I'm not going to do that now. And there are more information on COVID-19. You can just go there, and there are official tweets, guys. You guys just forward off anything and everything on WhatsApp. They all first of all, those are fake, and then people also get panicked because you guys share them. So make sure you have the official one, and make sure you verify the source from where it's coming. And then there are all official tweets from PM Modi and the Ministry of Health. So make sure you read this, and you can directly share them from here. Click on share and protect. others, and you'll get all the applications you have installed on your device. So this is how this app works. So make sure you install this, and I recommend you guys to share this video with all of your friends so that they also install the same application and have a safe checkup at home, and then you can just go ahead and do that. So make sure you have the Corona Kavach and Arogya Setu app. Maybe Corona Kavach will not be available on the Play Store because it was the beta version, and you can just download this Arogya Setu from the link in the description. So go ahead and download it, and for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel Technoxity, and help me reach more subscribers. Thank you. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.